This is my last bunch, good people.
Here in Africa, it is a delicacy that among the Swahili people of the coastal region.
Rolled. So I need to dip them in the all-purpose baking flour. I have my milk ready here. I also have my salt. I have sugar. I have vegetable oil. I also have baking powder over here, and I also have here margarine, and my ingredients are there. So this is what I'm going to use to prepare the Jamaican fried dumpling or Jamaican fried dumplings. They are more of Mandazis, Kenyan Mandazis, let me say so. So I need to, the milk is already boiled, so I need to knead the flour, mix the ingredients, and let it rest for about 30 to 45 minutes. Then I can come and start frying my dumplings. So keep tuned. I'm using margarine just to spice up my dumpling, but it isn't all that necessary. If you don't have it, you don't need to add to mix it up. Or if you don't have, margarine is optional, good people. Even the milk, you can as well use water, warm water instead of milk if you don't have milk. And the margarine isn't all that necessary, but it is optional. So let's get to work.
Hello good people, good morning to you from this part of the world, precise Kenya, East Africa. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Pende_Mago. To the returning subscribers, thank you for always showing me love by coming back to watch my videos. I don't take it for granted, good people. And those who are new here or you have been watching me without subscribing, kindly consider to hit that subscription button, not forgetting the notification bell to alert you whenever I upload a new video, good people. Always comment, like, and even share, my people. So this morning it is around 10 a.m. here in the village, and I wanted to make some Jamaican fried dumplings for my family. There is a time I did make them and or cook them, and they were like, they are just like Kenyan Mandazi. That's how we do it here in Africa. We call them Mandazi, but with the Jamaican they call them fried dumplings. Theirs is always round, but ours are always square in shape, or it depends with the preference of a person. So there is a very, very large similarity between Kenyan Mandazi and also Jamaican fried dumpling. So in all, let's get into it. I want to take you along on how we prepare the Jamaican dumpling. You'll see it is the same procedure that we use to cook our mandazi here in the village or in Africa. So this is all-purpose baking flour. I didn't get the self-rising flour, so in that case I will use a little bit of baking powder. This is baking powder, we call it chapamandashi. This is a baking powder. This is one of the items since I was given birth. It has never changed its packaging. I was born and brought up seeing this baking powder being packaged the same way, year in, year out, with the same color they have maintained. So this is the baking powder that we use here in the village. I also have milk to help me in kneading my flour. So if you don't have water, if you don't have milk, you can as well use water. It isn't a must that you use milk. I'm using milk because it is available here in the village. We do milk here in the village. I think I have to do a video one of these 5 days while milking. So I have milk. Instead of water, I'm going to use milk. I have salt here. I have a little sugar to taste. I have vegetable oil. I have margarine. I did melt it. So margarine, it's blue band here we call it, just to add to spice up my dough. So good people, let's get to work. Just add a tablespoon of salt. A little bit of sugar, but some people don't like using this sugar. I need to add baking powder. There we go. This is to help the flour to rise because it is not self-rising. I have my milk here, but before that I need to mix this. Before that I need to mix this first. That's my sugar, baking flour and salt. Then I will add my milk. Here is my margarine. It's optional too. Well, good people, I can see my dough is no longer sticky. That's to tell me that it is ready. But I will have to cover it up for 30 to 45 minutes. And then I will come and start making balls so that I can fry my dumpling. I'm doing this now. Someone asked me, why do you like preparing things to do with the wheat? Wheat products, especially chapati, it's one of my favorite meals, and also fish. That's why you see me most of my videos where I am preparing something for my family. I always go for my favorite. This one is ready. I need to cover it up for at least 30 to 45 minutes. Then I will come and start frying my dumplings. Meanwhile, let me get rid of this. But the cooking oil is going to be intact. My 30 minutes are over, good people, so I need to roll. cut them in small pieces. I don't know why it is so hard. Just roll them around, make the round balls. Meanwhile, my oil is heating. I'll keep on repeating the process until I'm done. They look like we call them vitumbua here in Africa. It is a delicacy that among the Swahili people of the coastal region. They call them vitumbua, but Jamaica do call them dumplings. Good people, I'm finally done. As you can see, now it is time to dip them in the oil that is heating. This is the last one. This is a bit small. But it's heating here. I'm using the 3 stones. Good people. The oil is heating, so I need to dip one by one. There we go. Jamaican fried dumpling. I'm using the sufuria, we call them sufuria here, to fry my dumpling. I just need to give it 10 minutes, then I will turn it around. Keep on watching, good people. Comment, like, and share. See, it has started turning the color, so I need to turn it around. See, oh my god, my dumpling are burning up. I'm going to give it another 5 minutes. You know, I'm using the 3 stones because it is a bit faster and it will cook so fast. No time consuming, you see. African Village Life.
African village girl cooking dumplings. Good people, let me take it out of the fire. I don't want it to overcook, or else it's going to burn up. You see? Oh my god! Beautiful. Put another bunch. I never knew preparing Jamaican fried dumplings is so easy compared to boiled ones. And I think this one is it's going to be the favorite one, and the easiest meal to prepare. Hey, let me give them 5 minutes, then I can take it off. This is my last bunch, good people. Let me take it out of the fire. There we go. These are my Jamaican dumplings. Ready. So, thank you for watching. Comment, like, and even share. These are my dumplings. Let me know what do you think about them. They're a bit burnt, some of them.